I'm Jason Chiasson with Chiasson Smoke. Thank you so much for the purchase of your DIY kit. And this one here, we're going to be doing the 16-inch grill top. You just received your DIY grill kit for your rocket stove. Hang out with us. Let's make sure you have all the parts. We'll build one together, and let's get this done so you can get to grilling. So we'll double check, make sure you have your 4 side plates. That's going to make your cone. Obviously, you need your grill. You want to have your hinge. On the 16-inch grill top, you'll have 2 hinges. Make sure you have your 4 tabs with a hole. You'll have your lockdown screw and your weld nut. We need our collar, our 4-inch, or if you have the 16-inch, you'll have a 6-inch collar. You'll have your grill handle. You'll have your diverter that goes on the inside of your cone. On the 16-inch grill top accessory, you'll also have these 2 pieces here. And what do these 2 pieces do? They act as a brace that get welded to the inside of your grill to add a brace. That should be all the parts that you need. And of course, if you feel like you're missing something, always reach out to us at Chiasson Smoke.